Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. Okay, here's what I want you to know. Your distress is understandable. Most men in your position will feel that way. After all, you've devoted your whole life to a woman. You love her deeply. You want your marriage to work out. And for some reason, you're driving each other out of your fucking minds. Naturally, you want to find a solution. You want to know if that your marriage is over and if there's anything you can do to save it, right? If you are, then you're at the right place. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll know for sure if your marriage is over. But more importantly, you'll learn this technique which you can use to give it one last shot. And believe me, you've never seen this technique anywhere else before because people who know it rarely want to talk about it. You'll understand why once you've seen it. Trust me. Before we start though, could you help me out? Look underneath this video and click on the like button because you'll really encourage me to make more of these videos for you if you do that. So help me by clicking like. I'll wait here. Done clicking like? Great. Let's start now. Here's how to know when your marriage is over. Just look out for these 9 signs. 1. Mutual contempt replaces spousal respect. Instead, all you give each other is disrespect. The best you can offer is malign disinterest. 2. She's open about her ongoing affair. This is one of the most dangerous indicators of a failing marriage. She won't realize that the grass isn't greener until she's packed up and left your pasture. 3. Life without her seems like a dream come true. You're only happy when there's distance between you. You enjoy your time apart from her way more than you enjoy time with her, if you still enjoy the latter at all. 4. You have fights, not conversations. It might even be the same fight over and over again. 5. You compete to be right. Everything you say about each other is a harsh criticism. 6. Problems arise everywhere. Neither of you is interested in finding solutions to them, just placing blame. 7. The relationship lacks physical contact, especially sex. Lack of emotional connection often follows the stopping of physical intimacy. 8. You experience or detect emotional withdrawal and isolation. You have no desire to open up to each other anymore. 9. One or both of you engage in substance abuse and addictive behavior. Sometimes it seems like the bottle is the only thing that really works anymore. Granted, this isn't an exhaustive list, but it does illustrate my point. Sometimes there just doesn't seem to be a way out. At least, not while keeping your marriage intact. Take heart though. There is a way out and you'll soon discover how to save a marriage quickly enough. Before that, there's something I must warn you about, and it's this. Now, at this point, I was really wishing you hadn't gone to the internet for advice. You're lucky that you found this video. To most guys, they end up at a dating guru site, or worst, a pickup artist blog. At those places, 99% of the time, you're going to get one of 2 things. 1. Pop dating advice, which is designed to be bad. The outlets that publish this crap want you to stay miserable. That way, you'll keep coming back to them for advice, and they'll keep earning advertising revenue. 2. Women telling men how to treat women, a.k.a. feminist propaganda. This is like Vladimir Putin saying, "Hey, Crimea, everything will be all cool if you just let our soldiers stomp on your faces. Forever. Hey, since you're already down there, could you go ahead and give us a foot rub? Thanks." And most online marriage advice will push you toward doing touchy-feely crap like, treat your marriage like your child. It's your responsibility to keep it alive. Care for it and nurture it and give it lots of kisses and hugs. Understand that marriage is a give and take relationship. You can't hold all the power. You have to share it. Spoiler, share means surrender. Don't rush right to separation and divorce. Take your time to talk through your conflicts. Solving your differences means sharing your thoughts and feelings and ice cream. Commit yourself to working through your problems. You'll probably hear this advice from someone who will profit from it, like the wily marriage counselor. Put aside your expectations and get to know who your wife really is. Stop fixating on the person you want her to be. even if that person is better. Take time to listen. Understand your wife's hopes and dreams and aspirations, and take the time to help her cultivate them. While you're at it, go ahead and cook dinner. All the dinners. None of these things, not even dinner, were going to help you. But I'm going to share something that will. Continue watching. You will be surprised at what you're going to see. I guarantee it. For now, here's what you need to do. If you like this video, then I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Just scroll down, find the big red subscribe button and click it. Go on, do it. Done subscribing? Great. Now let's continue. Here's what you must understand. Your marriage is only over if you decide to let it be over. And if you want your marriage to survive, then listen to me. There's only one way to save your marriage, and it's by hypnotizing her. Don't get me wrong now. This has got nothing to do with the "you'll be falling asleep in 5 seconds" crap that you see on TV. We are talking about a covert method of getting into your wife's mind and planting ideas into her subconscious. You know, ideas like not leaving you and making the marriage work. And guess what? If you know how to do it, it's easy to make a woman think and believe anything. Yes, anything at all. And how do you do that? Well, it's by using this hypnotic mind control technique called fractionation. It's simply a method of hypnotizing a woman without her ever realizing what you've done. And the good news is that there's an easy step-by-step process you can follow to use fractionation on any woman you want. The ball is now in your court. So what do you say? Do you want to learn how to use fractionation on your wife to stop her from leaving you? Do you want to save your marriage from the impending divorce? A link will now appear inside this video. Click it and a new page comes up. On that page, enter your details to request access to Derek Rake's online masterclass on mind control. There, you'll learn about how to use fractionation and other mind control tactics to make a woman surrender to your dominance and authority. That's the one crucial step you must take to save your marriage from disaster. Do it now.